Question. The weather was suffocating. Here, suffocating is answer. Adjective. Question. The king has gone a hunting. Here, a is answer. Preposition. Question. Health is wealth. Here, wealth is answer. Noun. Question. One of the frog rose his head up to talk to the boys. Here, up is answer. Adverb. Question. He found herself. Here, herself is what type of pronoun? Answer. Reflexive pronoun. Question. He went home. Here, went is answer. Intransitive verb. Question. I have read the novel Dash was written by Thomas Hardy on a pure woman. Answer. That. Question. Which sentence does not include linking verb? Answer. He needs help. Question. Fill in the gap. My elder brother lives in Dash US. Answer. The. Question. Fill in the gaps. The man is Dash full. Answer. A. Question. What is the plural form of synthesis? Answer. Kha. Synthesis. Question. She was looking forward to Dash good news from him. Answer. Hearing. Question. He persisted Dash going there. Answer. In. Question. The seed looked Dash the case. Answer. Into. Question. Complete the sentence. He hurried to the station list Dash. Answer. He should miss the train. Question. 12 year Dash his age. Answer. Was. Question. 10 years have passed since his father Dash. Answer. Died. Question. Dash the thief seen the police inspector when he ran away. Answer. Hardly had. Question. Tell me how I can learn English easily. What type clause is underlined 1? Answer. Noun clause. Question. He saw her at 4. Here at 4 is answer. Adverbial phrase. Question. The neighbors laughed at him in spite of his being a British police officer. Here, in spite of his being a British police officer is answer. Adverbial phrase. The man who is following me may be a thief. Here, underline clause is answer. Adjective clause. Question. Walking in the morning is good for health. Here, walking in the morning is answer. Noun phrase. Question. A man of huge wealth does not always lead a happy life. Here, what type of clause is underlined 1? Answer. Adjective phrase. Question. He stopped communicating with us. Here, underline phrase is answer. Noun phrase. Question. Chose the wrongly spelled word. Answer. Go. Question. The abstract noun of cowardly is answer. Cowardice. Question. Which is the masculine form of goose? Answer. Gander. Question. Blessing in disguise means answer. Something good that I is not recognized at first. Question. As he woke up, the clock struck 10. What type of clause is underlined 1? Answer. Adverb clause. Question. The weather is too cold for them to go out. Make it complex. Answer. The weather was so cold that they could not go out. Question. The visitors go to Cox's Bazar to see the beautiful sea beach. Make it compound. Answer. The visitors want to see the sea's beach and so they go to Cox's Bazar. Question. Those who are eager to earn online can get themselves admitted in this course. Make it simple. Answer. People eager to earn online can get themselves admitted in this course. Question. Saqib Al Hasan is one of the best all-rounder in the world. Make it simple. Answer. Saqib Al Hasan is better than most other all-rounders in the world. Question. Farid is richer than his brother. Make it positive. Answer. Farid's brother is not so rich as him. Question. His mind was filled with an adroit pride. Make it active. Answer. An adroit pride filled his mind. Question. Does not fortune favor the braves? Make it passive. Answer. Are not the brave favored by the fortune? Question. He said to me, what can I do for you now? Make it indirect. Answer. He asked me what he could do for me then. Question. Devil advocate means. Answer. Someone who presents a counter argument. Question. They went where nobody can disturb them. What type of clause is the underlined one? Answer. Adverb clause. Question. Train had left before we reached the station. What type of clause is the underlined one? Answer. Principal clause. Question. Which is the wrong sentence? Answer. The horse and carriage are waiting for you. Question. What is the noun form of resign is? Answer. Resignation. Question. Curiosity killed the cat means. Answer. Inquisitiveness can lead into an unpleasant situation. Question. Rather the actual criminal was punished is unknown. What type of clause is the underlined one? Answer. Noun clause. Question. Choose the word which is correctly spelled. Answer. Go. Question. Choose the word which is wrongly spelled. Answer. Kha. Question. What is the adjective form of awe? Answer. Awful. Question. Terminator is the part of dash. Answer. Paragraph. Question. Find out the sentence which has no error. Answer. The wages of sin is death. Question. Fill in the blank. He takes dash great care of her children. Answer. Zero article. Question. Aurangzeb dash great was the last emperor of Delhi. Answer. The. Question. He tried hard that he could pass the exam. What kind of clause is the underlined one? Answer: adverbial clause. Question: that he is a miser is known to us. What type of clause is the underlined one? Answer: noun clause. Question: no other river in Africa is as big as Nile. Make it comparative. Answer: Nile is the bigger than all other rivers in Africa. Question: Nelson Mandela was one of the greatest leaders that we have ever known. Make it positive. Very few leaders that we have ever known were as great as Nelson Mandela. Question: identify the determiner from the following sentence. My father was the freedom fighter. Answer: my and the. Question: the verb of the word length is? Answer: lengthen. Question: which is the following words? It has no masculine gender. Answer: nurse. Question: what is the noun form of the word cancel? Answer: cancellation. Question: what is the adjective form of obesity? Answer: obese. Question: which sentence has no error? They cannot help obeying their teachers. Question: which one in the correct indirect narration? Why have you told a lie? He said to me. Answer: he inquired of me why I had told a lie. Question: the teacher told me to stop writing. Here writing is? Answer: gerund. Question: what is the singular form of phenomenon? Answer: phenomenon. Question: a paragraph deals dash theme / themes. Answer: 1. Question: if he completes the task successfully, I will reward him. Make it simple. Answer: in case of his completing the task successfully, I will reward him. Question: a truthful person is not afraid of anybody. Make it simple. Answer: a person who is truthful is not afraid of anybody. Question: whereas an educated man is an asset to society, an ignorant man is a liability. Make it compound. Answer: an educated man is an asset to society, but an ignorant man is a liability. Question: select the correctly spelling word. Answer: ko. Question: select the correctly word. Answer: go. Question: select the wrongly spelled word. Answer: go. Question: make it passive. The children were laughing at the man. Answer: the man was being laughed at by the children. Question: did he honor the learned? Make it passive. Were the learned by him? Question: the beast in him grew, and he killed his own brother. What type of noun is beast? Answer: abstract noun. Question: he comes here twice a month. What type of parts of speech is twice? Answer: adverb. Question: hearing the bad news, he turned pale. What type of parts of speech is pale? Answer: adjective. Question: the path of glory lead but to the grave. What type of parts of speech is but? Answer: adverb. Question. He felt disappointed. What type of verb is felt? Answer. Linking verb. Question. His sufferings beggar description. Here, beggar description is. Answer. Verb phrase. Question. I cannot decide where I should go. Here, where I should go is. Answer. Noun clause. Question. Do not behave like that with elderly people. What type of clause is the underlined one? Answer. Adverb phrase. Question. A man of name and fame ultimately loses his independence. What type of phrase is the underlined one? Answer. Adjective phrase. Question. Diarrhea result dash water pollution. Answer. From. Question. Which is the correct sentence? Answer. The laptop belongs to me. Question. Which is the correct sentence? Answer. Many a man tries to become rich, but only few can succeed. Question. 1/3 of the apples dash. Answer. Are rotten. Question. Which is the correct sentence? Answer. Each boy and each girl of this class is studious. Question. Russell dash for 7 years. Answer. Has been imprisoned. Question. Which is the correct sentence? Answer. He got used to coping with any situation. Question. Complete the following sentence. Had I known you dash. Answer. I would not have let you enter the room. Question. Which is the correct sentence? Answer. The boys each have got a prize. Question. Which is the correct sentence? Answer. He has not yet come. Question. I have the boy dash my load. Answer. Carry. Question. What type of parts of speech of the word removal? Answer. Noun. Question. He does not always speak as he thinks. What type of adverbial phrase of the underlined one? Answer. Adverb clause of manner. Question. He said that he dash complete the task very soon. Answer. Would. Question. What is the plural form of that when it is used as a relative pronoun and when as a demonstrative pronoun respectively? Answer. That, those. Question. He became chairman by means of trickery. What type of clause is the underlined one? Answer. Adverb phrase. Question. Everyone must die. Make it negative. Everyone cannot but die.